Hey there! Today, I'm diving into 2024's game-changing medical breakthroughs that are revolutionizing healthcare. Buckle up, because these innovations are truly impressive. First up, let's talk about the Evoque Tricuspid Valve Replacement by Edwards Lifesciences. This breakthrough device is designed for treating tricuspid regurgitation and has become the first transcatheter therapy to get FDA approval for this condition. What's fascinating about the Evoque device is its self-expanding frame and tissue leaflets made from bovine pericardial tissue. It's a huge leap forward for patients dealing with tricuspid regurgitation, offering a less invasive option with promising outcomes. Next, let's switch gears to Medtronic's pulsed field ablation, or PFA. If you're in the cardiology realm, you know how critical advancements in AFib treatment are. Medtronic's Affera PFA system stands out by incorporating advanced mapping and ablation technology, providing a comprehensive approach to treating atrial fibrillation. This is a game changer for AFib patients, potentially reducing the risks and improving the efficacy of treatments. And now, for those focused on diabetes management, Dexcom has introduced a remarkable innovation, the Stelo Continuous Glucose Monitor, or CGM. Unlike traditional CGMs, the Stelo is designed specifically for non-insulin users with diabetes. It features a 15-day wear period and a tailored software experience, aimed at providing valuable diabetes management insights without the frequent alerts necessary for insulin users. This makes managing diabetes simpler and more efficient for a broader range of patients. These innovations are not just technological marvels. They represent hope and improved quality of life for countless individuals. From heart valve replacements to advanced AFib treatment and diabetes management, 2024 is shaping up to be a landmark year for medical breakthroughs. So, if you're in the healthcare field, keep an eye on these technologies and consider how they might transform your practice and patient care. And remember, staying informed about the latest advancements is key. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more medical updates.